Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ramsha Wakar and my group mate is Isha Mahmood, students of Karachi University UBIT. We are of final year and we will be explaining our final year project. Our project is text summarization. We are doing abstractive text summarization by modeling a sequence to sequence model and using recurrent neural network encoder decoder architecture with attention layer. Why do we need summarizers? In recent years, the volume of textual data has rapidly increased, which has generated a valuable resource for extracting and analyzing information. To retrieve useful knowledge within a reasonable time period, this information must be summarized. Automatic text summarization is the process of automatically creating a compressed version of a given text. There are mainly two approaches for this task: extractive and abstractive. The extractive method is to select words and sentences from the text directly. In contrast, the abstractive method needs to first understand the sentences semantically and then convert it into different words conveying the same meaning. Our objective is to use abstractive method for text summarization. We are using sequence to sequence model with attention layer and coverage mechanism. Sequence to sequence model is a special class of recurrent neural network architectures that we use to solve complex language problems like machine translation, question answering, text summarization, etc. We have built encoder decoder architecture which is based on sequence to sequence model. The encoder take in the input sentence and generate a final state vector, hidden state and cell state. We have used GRU and LSTM layers so exploding and vanishing gradient problem does not occur. The decoder is initialized to the final state of the encoder. Decoder starts generating the output sequence, and these outputs are also taken in consideration for the future outputs. The sequence to sequence model is generally unable to accurately process long input sequence since only the last hidden state of the encoder RNN is used as the context vector for the decoder. We use attention layer to address this problem. Attention mechanism creates a unique mapping between each time step of the decoder output to all the encoder hidden states. This means that for each output that the decoder makes, it has access to the entire input sequence and can selectively pick out specific elements from that sequence to produce the output. We are using CNN dataset. It contains news articles and headlines. We have pre-processed this data and extracted headlines and articles as summaries and stories respectively. We are using Rouge matrix to evaluate our model. Rouge 1 refers to the overlap of each word between the generated and reference summaries. Rouge 2 refers to the overlap of bigrams between the generated and reference summaries. Rouge L refers to the longest common substring. We trained our model with two variants of CNN dataset, one with the stories and summaries having named entities and the other without them. These are our scores. As the scores show, anonymizing the entities in the dataset gave higher scoring as the model could better generalize the sense of the word. In the future, we can use larger datasets for our model, like Daily Mail dataset, and use dependency parsing and OpenIE to extract facts. This was our presentation. Thank you.